Hi everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at an application of an exponential equation. Frida deposits $2,000 into a savings account. So this would be her initial value, the $2,000. When we write the exponential equation that models this scenario, that will be the A value. This account pays 2.4% per annum, compounded annually. So that's going to help me figure out the B value. The B value, if you recall from the last unit, is going to be 1. If we're talking about where we are growing an investment, that will be 1 plus the rate per compounding period, but written as a decimal. So that would be 0.024 as the B value, which would be 1.024. We want to algebraically determine how long. So that would be the x, that would be the time in years, to the nearest year that it will take for the investment to double in value. So if we started with $2,000, twice that would be our final value of $4,000, because it's 2 times the $2,000. So now we have all the information we need to plug into this formula. So the y value is 4,000. The A value is 2,000. The B value is 1.024. And x is what we are trying to solve for. Now, when we are trying to solve an exponential equation algebraically, we typically want to isolate the power before we proceed. So if it's possible to isolate the power, we're going to go ahead and do that. So in this problem, we would be dividing by 2,000 on both the right side and the left side in order to isolate the power 1.024 to the exponent x. So that allows us to get 2,000 to cancel on the right side. And now we have 2 equals 1.024 to the exponent x. We can now switch forms. Which means we'll have a left side, a right side, and an equal sign. When we switch forms to logarithmic form, we're definitely going to have to write down log. Remember, in log form, the exponent gets isolated. The base of the power becomes the base of the logarithm, and then the argument is going to fall into place. We are now able to calculate this using our calculator. So depending on which type of calculator you have, you may have a log base option. If you do, you're going to go into math, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom or close to the bottom and choose log base. And you will input the appropriate base and the appropriate argument. Enter. So in this one, we wanted to round to the nearest year. Okay, so that's approximately 29 years. Let's suppose you don't have the log base option. In that case, you would have to type in log of the argument divided by log of the base. That would be using the change of base formula. And again, you get the same result. All right, we're done that problem. Thanks, everyone. See you again.